for math today, we always start off doing our number talks. So yesterday we started with number 129 plus 31. So today we're going to do 29 plus 16. And remember, when we do our number talks, are we going to use any pen and paper?
No.
Number talks is always what? Mental math. So let's take 1 minute to solve 29 plus 16. When you have your answer, just give me a thumbs up over your heart so I know that you're ready. Got it? Okay, I got 20 seconds. Okay, I see Maya, you have your thumb up, really, Maya. What did you do?
45.
Maya, can you come and show us how you got your answer? What method are you going to use? Base 10? Okay, show us how you got your answer. Can you explain to us what you're doing as we're solving it?
So I thought in my head, two rocks and then 9 units.
And which number are you representing?
29.
29, okay. And which number are you representing now? Okay. So why did you just draw another rod here?
Because I counted 10 ones.
You counted 10 ones, and what is that word called? Class, what is that word called? Regrouping. So you regrouped 10 ones and you made another rod, and which gave you 4 rods plus 5 units, and that give us an answer of what, class?
45.
45. Good job, Maya. Thank you. All right, so let's look at our learning target for today. Let's read it together. Today, I am learning how to solve word problems involving money. So we're going to be working on or learning how to solve word problems and what strategies we can use to solve word problems. But first, we're going to review the coins and their values. So let's take a look at our first coin. What coin do we see here, Messiah? This is a quarter. Guys, tell me, how much is 1/4 worth? Everybody tell me.
25 cents.
25 cents. I'm going to go ahead and label that. 1/4 is worth 25 cents. What about this coin? What is this coin called, Jermaine? A nickel. And a nickel is worth how much?
5 cents.
5 cents. What about my next coin? What's my next coin, Nathan?
10.
What's it called? A dime. And a dime is worth how much?
10 cents.
10 cents. And lastly, what's my last coin, Anaya? A penny. And it's worth how much?
1 cent.
1 cent. Beautiful. So today, guys, we're going to use our laptops and we're going to go to Braining Camp. We're going to solve some word problems using Braining Camp today. But first, I'm going to do one, and I'm going to walk through it. It's not a quarter. What was that? Which coin is that?
It was like 50 cents, right?
Yes, it was called a half dollar. There you go. All right. So I'm trying to figure out how much money do I have here. I have a dollar bill, 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. But I'm trying to figure out how much money do I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label each coin and dollar that I see and the amount that's under it. So I have a dollar bill. What is the value of $1 bill, Anaya? What's the value? $1. There you go. $1. But since I'm skip counting, I want to be adding the value of the next coin that I see to that dollar. So I'm going to hold $1 in my head. And now I see I have a quarter. So now, how much should I have now that I have a quarter added to my dollar? What should I have now, Alan? How much is 1 quarter worth? It's 25 cents, but I have a dollar and a quarter. So what should I have now? I should have a dollar and
25 cents.
and what, Naomi?
25
And 25 cents. Do y'all see why I have a dollar and 25 cents?
Yes.
Okay. So what if I add a dime? What should I have next with a dime? I have $1 and 35 cents.
Now, do y'all see why she's saying? So typically, when we have whole numbers, we only say like 32, 156. Why is she saying and now? She's saying $1 and 25 cents. What do you notice in that like $1.25? What do you notice she put in there? Yes, she put. So that's what's called a decimal point. So that's the only time if you see a decimal point should you be saying the word and. Yes.
All right. So I have another dime next to. Now. So I have 135. Now if I add another dime to that, what should I have next? $1.45. What's this coin next? Is this a dime again?
No.
So I'm not going to be adding 10 cents anymore. What should I add now?
5
cents. So I had $1.45. If I add 5 cents to that, how much should I have? $1.50. Am I finished yet? No, I still have 3 pennies left. So what's $1.50 plus 1 penny? $1.51. I'm gonna add another penny. $1.52. I'm gonna add my last penny. $1.53. So do we see how I use my skip counting skills to find out how much money that I have? All right, let's try to do another one together.
This time, Ms. Stallworth, let's make it into a word problem.
Okay. So, if I give Maya If I give Maya 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies, how much money did I give Maya? Let me separate it so I can. 3/4, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. So, which coin should I start off with? Should I start off with my smallest coin or my largest coin, Messiah? My smallest? Why do you think I should start with the smallest? The smallest coin is worth the most? Which coin is worth the most out of all the coins that you see here?
What you think, man?
How much is the dime worth? 10 cents. What is this coin here? How much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
So you're right. If I start with the coin that's the most, I should start with that one, but it's not going to be my smallest coin. It's going to be which coin? And which coin is that, Messiah? What's this coin called? My quarter. I'm going to start with my quarter first. So, I forgot how much a quarter is worth. Somebody remind me.
25 cents.
25 cents. I have another quarter. I forgot how to skip count. I have 50 cents now. Oh, you guys are smart. You guys are smart. 75 cents. I have a dime now. Am I still adding 25 cents?
No.
So how much should I add? 10 cents. So I should have 85 cents. Then
95 cents.
what's next?
$1.
How do you know I have $1 now? Because what? I have 100 cents. So now I'm at $1. So now I'm at $1. I still have to add my pennies together. So I have 3 more pennies to add. Oh, we're just gonna skip count and add the 3 pennies? Okay, so Maya has $1.03. She can get a whole ice cream sandwich. Okay, so now let's try to do one independently. Are we ready for that? All right. So I'm gonna give Messiah.
Instead of drawing the coins, clear off and write a problem and then share it with them and they have to draw the coins.
Okay.
There you go.
Messiah.
I forgot to tell you.
Okay, so we're gonna solve this word problem. We want to figure out how much does Messiah have. If Messiah has 4 pennies, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 quarters. So before you start solving, I'm going to share this word problem. You're going to do it on your own on your laptop.
And please understand, Miss Stallworth will be able to see this in real time.
Okay, so okay guys, go ahead and open your laptops. At the top of your screen, you can type in this code that you see here, V8D44J And I want you to solve this word problem on your laptops. I see 5 people join. Guys, if you forget what the coins look like, you can always use the anchor chart that we have here. It shows you all the different coins, what a penny, nickel, dime, and a quarter looks like. You can always use your resources in the class. Don't forget. About 2 more minutes. And as you're working, we can see. Put your answer too. I see like somebody put the total amount. One more minute and then Miss Stallworth is going to pick somebody to explain. Make sure you're showing how you got your answer. right. So who has? Can I exit out of this? So who has an answer? Who has an answer? Maya, what did you get? 89 cents. So Maya, let's walk through. How did we get 89 cents? Which coin did you start with first? You started with the quarters. Why did you start with the quarters, Maya? The quarter is the largest coin. And I have how many quarters? I have 2 quarters. And I know each quarter is worth how much, class?
25 cents.
25 cents. So 1 quarter is 25 and 2 quarters is how much? 50 cents. So which coin should I add next? After I do my quarters? My dimes. How many dimes do I have?
3.
I have 3 dimes. So since I'm adding 3 dimes to 50 cents, how much should I have next? 60 cents, because a dime is worth 10 cents. 70, then 80. Am I finished?
No.
No. How much does he have now? How many coins?
4.
Huh? 4 pennies? Is that the next coin I should use?
No.
What coin should I use next?
Nickel.
My nickel. How many nickels do I have?
1.
I have 1 nickel worth, it's worth 5 cents, but now I should have 85 cents. And lastly, I have 4 pennies, and now I should have 85 plus 4 gives me 89 cents. So Messiah has 89 cents. Good job. So now I think we're ready to do some independent group work. I think we're ready for that, right? All right, so let's pull up our small groups. So my red group, Kaden, Demir, Amari, Cameron, Kaylee, Maddie, and Nazir, you guys are going to get your laptops and you're going to go to MobiMax and complete reading a bar graph, okay? Alan, Aubrey, Malik, Dajay, Lennox, and Kylie, you'll be with Miss Medley's group. You need your iReady books and a pencil at the back table. Naomi, Nathan, Maya, Messiah, and Sam, meet me at group 1 with your iReady books and a pencil. And Elijah, Anaya, Carter, Raven, and Jermaine, you guys will be working at group 3, solving your word problems. You need your math interactive notebook and a pencil. So I'm going to set my timer. When the timer goes off, we're going to stop what we're doing and come back to our seat.
The one that says read a bar graph.
Miss Medley's group,
It's the
you're
second
on
one.
page 232. My group, we're on page 228. And I'm going to start my timer. Page 228. Okay, so my group, we're doing something just like what we just did before. or they want you to use skip counting to find the value of the coins. So they showed you how to get it over here. You started with a dime and they have it 10, 10, 10. So you're going to do the same thing over here. So we know a dime is worth 10 cents. And they already started off for you. So now you just have to fill in the rest on your own. So if I have 3 dimes, what should I be at next? 30 cents. There you go. On this side. So I have 2 dimes here. You got it? 3 dimes. So how much money should I have? 30 cents, right. 228. 228. Can't believe we're in year 3.
Number 13. So, Mrs. Lincoln has $55. Is it in coins or in bills? In bills. Dollars. Nate, please keep $25. Now, I want you to look at our little print here. It says, think about ways you could use there's a $1 bill, there's a $5 bill, there's a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. To add up to 25. So, let's talk about that. This is what we're supposed to do.
If a dollar is 100 pennies, what's half of 100?
Okay? So now, if I know I have, there are $1 bills, $5 bills,
So a half dollar is 50 cents.
$10 bills, and $20 bills.
Half a dollar is 50
Bills
cents.
that I use to get up to $25. Rajay? Okay. So I'm going to draw a little dollar bill here, and I'm going to put 20, because I could use a 20. What else could I use? Okay, well, let's look here. Rajay said I could also use a 5. What is 20 plus 5? Rajay, what is 20 plus 5? 25. Okay? Now, is there another way I can make 25? Is there another way I can make 25?
What, this one? This one? So then we should have drawn another set of coins that have the same value as 40 cents.
I can use any of these bills.
So it looks like you
Is there another way?
3 nickels and 2 pennies. But what
How
is
else can I make
$2
$25?
47 cents. What other coins?
Okay, what you say? Okay, wait a second. So another way,
So right here, they want you to.
I
what
could
other
use,
set of coins could
I'm going
you
to draw my
use to
dollar,
make
I'm going to
47
draw my
cents?
bill and put, you said how many? 2 tens.
If you use 4 dimes and 10 coins,
And what else?
is that 47 cents?
Okay. And 1 5. So what is, let's add them up and make sure. What is 10 plus 10? Plus 5? Is that 25? Is that another way I could do $25? Is there more ways I could do $25? Absolutely. So here's what you're going to do for number 30. I've given you 2 ways. I want you to give you some creative 2 ways. You can draw your line in the middle and put 1 way, 2 ways. And I want you to give me 2 different ways to make $25 using your $1 bill, $5 bill, $10 bill, or a $20 bill. Okay? Again, 2 ways. Yep. Just kind of how I did like the little line down the middle.
$100 bills listed. Be prepared to share in a minute and a half. What coins did you use, Maya, to come up with 47 small?
Oh, you using a quarter.
I really love the way table 2 is working. Some PBIS points. Okay, Alan, what is there another way you came up with $25? What else did you do? Oh, okay, hold on. So you did a $5 bill. What else? How many $5 bills did you do? 4. Okay, and so how much is that? Okay. Okay. So if I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, you said 20. I gotta get to 25. That's my goal. So what else did you use? Oh, wonderful. And then 5 $1 bills. Perfect. 5. I'm skip counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now if I go to my $1, what am I skip counting guys? 1, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did that give me $25? Absolutely it did. Okay, so you did $10 plus $10 plus $5. Absolutely, that is correct.
This is a penny. So
So now
which one
here's
is
what you're
this?
going to do.
A dime,
A dime.
and then the
Use
other,
these points here, I'm gonna lay them out.
and then a quarter,
Okay, let's look at number 14.
a 10
So we're
cent.
trying to see which one has
35 cents.
84 cents.
So, 35 cents.
You got like, I
How
don't
can
know
I
which quarter
represent
is it, and then
Logan?
it looks like to me.
Well, let's do process. So let's eliminate what we know is not. So let's look at this one.
Change. Okay?
This one
So let's
has
talk about
4
this for a
quarters. How much is
Hey,
4 quarters
the
worth?
pen costs how much?
$1.
$1. So is that more than 84 cents?
Yes.
So we know it's not this one, so let's cross that
Get
one.
35 cents. From the pen.
So what about this one?
Well, this one has one. That's 25 cents. And that, I think this is not right. So that it was 25, 50, 75, 70, 80, 85. Oh, no. I'm done.
Right one. That's
I'm gonna do 35 cents. 35 cents. What kind of coins do you have there? Okay, a quarter. So how much is a quarter worth?
Okay, so I want 35 cents. So you have 25 cents. You just told me. How can I get to 35 cents? You're at 25. What else could I add to that to make 35? Okay, so how much is the quarter worth? Okay, so if that's 25 cents, what would 2 quarters equal? 25 cents plus 25 cents. Is that over 35 cents? Yeah. Use another quarter?
No, you can keep looking at mine.
What other coins can I use?
You can look.
What other coin can I use to make 35 cents?
The back of a.
Right. Okay, so we all work together. We have a quarter, which is worth how much? 25 cents. And what coin is this? It's a dime. It's worth how much? Okay. So a quarter is a 10 cents. So we have 35 cents. It says he paid with 2 quarters. What is 2 quarters worth?
Your penny.
50 cents. So I gotta figure out, I'm at 35. How much change is he gonna get back? So let's count up from 35.
Okay, pause. Pause. Everybody stop what you're doing. Let's come back to our seats. And let's do our ticket output.
Oh, let me see if I can give some PBIS points for quietly going back to their seats. I love how table 3's putting their belongings up.
Keep your pencils out. Put everything else away. So we've been practicing solving word problems using money. So now I want to see what we've learned, and we're going to do an exit slip. And it has 2 word problems on it. So we're only going to take about 2 minutes to solve. But I want to see what we have learned today. Let's take 2 minutes. All right, guys, so remember that today we learned how to solve word problems involving coins and dollars, and we learned how to use different strategies to solve those word problems, okay?